Here's 3 plants that do not belong in your landscape no matter the application.
Nah, you could have said Bradford pear, silver maple, and bamboo, and I could have agreed with you. But forsythia makes a great hedge, especially if you got a large acreage and your landscape is a 3 to 5 acre maintained landscape, which we have several clients who have landscapes like that. Making a nice hedge or a couple clusters of them in the back row of the landscape looks damn good. And you don't have to keep it trimmed. You let it stay loose. It's just how they look. Japanese barberry. Do you have any daughters? How old are they? Because when they're getting to be about 12, 13, 14, and those little boys come around, that Japanese barberry is going to look real nice in front of her window. And that dwarf Alberta spruce, man, that's the perfect thing for anchoring a garage. It's the perfect pyramidal anchor. You don't need it to be a huge anchor if you only got a 12-foot tall house. What more could you ask for? It's slow growing. You don't got to trim it. As long as you don't get spider mites on it, they really don't have problems. So, I don't know. I disagree. There are plants that don't belong in landscapes. Callery pear species, yeah, they don't really belong. They kind of smell like pee. They break all the time. Just a horrible structured plant, man-made. Silver maples, just weak-wooded things. They grow so big so fast, then they split and they fall and they do so much damage around town, at least in my area. Bamboo, once that stuff gets going, man, you can't stop it. It's impenetrable. So I don't know why you hate on forsythia. I guess because it grows a lot. It doesn't fit well in like a front landscape. I agree. But a dwarf Alberta spruce definitely does. Yeah, I don't like to plant barberries, but there's a time and a place when you need protection. You live in the hood, put some barberries in front of your windows. They ain't gonna break in.